Is Facebook ads dead in 2024? Maybe if you are doing the same old marketing as everyone else. Why should you even listen to me? I am the founder of one of the fastest growing agencies in Hungary. And last year we did an average 25x ROAS for our clients. Yeah, a single dollar into $25. And no, I don't want to sell you any course. This training is totally free. If you are ready to level up your business, reach out to me. In this free training, we are going to cover some cool topics about making money with Facebook ads, like what grabs people's attention, and I will reveal the secrets that makes them click and buy. Alright, first, let's talk about what grabs your audience's attention. First, you should check out sites like answerthepublic.com, Uber Suggest for keyword research, and just hit up Google suggestions. But honestly, the quickest way might be asking ChatGPT. For example, I have a private fitness studio in New York. I would start something like this. You will need a ChatGPT prompt that you can use each time. Currently, it is for the fitness studio. We should ask about fears, desired outcomes, and the channels they use. Who knows, maybe Pinterest is effective in this segment. As you can see, most people worry about results, progress, and meal plans. So in a nutshell, you know what grabs their attention. Now let's figure out how to get them to act. The second topic, marketing psychology. Certain things are hardwired into us, such as FOMO, fear of missing out. When creating an ad, use limited time or quantity-based deals to achieve a lower cost per lead or purchase. Trust me, it will boost your results. Here is a list of psychological triggers that you can use, such as offering free trials. If you don't have enough clients, then you should give something away for free. The next topic, why would they stop scrolling in all this noise? People see the photo or video first, then the headline, and finally the copy. So where should you focus first? Of course, the photo or video. In this year, video ads could generate leads or product sales at half price of photo ads based on my tests. And no, not Hollywood style videos. The easiest ones are shot on your phone where you say something like you won't believe what happened yesterday. And don't forget to include the call to action at the end of the video. The easiest way to find these videos is by using TikTok's most liked videos from the last 3 months. Or you can check your competitors' ads as well on Facebook ad library or TikTok ad library. The fourth topic is how to create an almost irresistible headline for your ad. Your ad's headline is the second most critical element. One powerful way to create an almost irresistible headline is by tapping into psychological triggers. Here is a list of example headlines built on psychological triggers. And of course, you should always test the limited time offer. And the fifth topic, how to create an almost irresistible photo or video for your ad, using like TikTok style videos. First, you should do some research on TikTok Creative Center to see what's popular. If you can, start by making similar videos with your phone and running ads for them. If that's not possible, just use Canva to create something interesting with an offer. Let me show you a few examples. I usually use these 3 types of ads. Most of the time, the one with a special offer works best. But sometimes ads that don't try to sell right away can also grab attention with a good quality video. And one more sentence for your video ads. The success of your video is 80% about the idea and 20% about other things like how you recorded the first 5 seconds and more. And the sixth topic, what formula to use for your copy. Have you heard about AIDA or PAS method? AIDA and PAS are 2 widely used formulas in the world of copywriting. First, let's start with AIDA. This classic formula stands for attention, interest, desire, and action. It's like a roadmap for creating a compelling and effective copy. And I also suggest you to read the Marketing Bibles, Casualizing and Breakthrough Copywriter. It will help you to become a professional copywriter. Now let me show you AIDA with an example. Imagine you have a private fitness studio in New York, and if you have a location-based business, you can start like this. And the attention something like this, interest listing the benefits, desire, and a clear call to action. And if we are using the PAS method, which is problem, agitation, and solution, it would look like this. You start with the location if you have a location-based business, then highlighting the problem, then agitation, and your solution. Also, don't forget to include a limited time or limited quantity deal. And the last topic, my favorite, what makes them click and buy. Whether you are running Facebook lead form campaigns or redirecting to your landing page, don't forget to set up automated emails and SMS. Also, you should call all of your leads unless they have booked an appointment or purchased from you. If you are selling products online and not focusing on leads before selling, then make sure you have a long landing page with reviews, instant offers, testimonials, and high quality images. Also, don't forget to use upsells after the product has been added to the basket, as it could generate an additional 20% in revenue. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe.